Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be taking a look at two dash cams, the OMBAR dash cam and the Cosuvow dash cam 4K front dash camera for cars. Get ready for some high-resolution action. First up, let's talk about video quality. The OMBAR dash cam can record in stunning UHD 4K resolution at the front, capturing every detail on the road. And not just that, it also has a rear FHD 1080p camera to keep an eye on what's happening behind you. With its wide-angle lenses, you won't miss a thing. Just like the OMBAR, the Cosuvow dashcam offers UHD 4K resolution, ensuring crystal-clear footage of your journeys. With its advanced Starvis sensor and 6-glass lens, you'll be capturing every detail with precision. Moving on to our next category, let's talk about connectivity and control. The OMBAR dashcam comes with built-in 5G Wi-Fi, allowing you to easily control the dashcam via the Cosuvow app on your smartphone. You can view, download, and even share your videos with just a few taps. Meanwhile, the Cosuvow dashcam also offers Wi-Fi app control, giving you the convenience of accessing your footage on your iOS or Android device. Share your exciting road trips with friends and family in an instant. Now let's take a look at the additional features that set these two dashcams apart. The OMBAR dashcam comes with a reliable G sensor that automatically detects collisions and locks the footage to prevent overwriting. It also has a 24-hour parking mode with a hardwire kit for added security. On the other hand, the Cosuvow dashcam offers a fashionable mini design that won't obstruct your view while driving. It also has a time-lapse feature, which is great for capturing long journeys with low power consumption. Both of these cameras have their strengths, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences. Remember, always do your research and consider the features that matter most to you before making a purchase. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you next time with more exciting comparisons. Stay smart and happy shopping!